At this point, you now have the awareness to reframe your limiting belief language. Two important points here that I want you to think about and write down. Know what you offer, and know that people need what you have. You have the steps to master your relationship with money. Now it's just a matter of getting into action. It's important building that community of referral relationships and strong client base. That's really what's going to create a successful business for you. Ask yourself again, how would your life be different if you had a positive and powerful relationship with money? Can you just imagine that? What if you could be clear on what you offer and why? Knowing that what you charge is of value and it can make the impact that you're looking for on people in the world, because really, the impact is really what we're creating when we actually make these changes. What if you're more confident to ask for the sale and take your prospects on that journey with you? Wouldn't you have more people say yes to you? What if your branding and your marketing was in alignment with what you're doing and attracted the right people to you for the right reasons, who are ready to pay you the money you deserve for your services? It is possible. The good news is that you can change it. Change has already begun. You've already been doing it. Here, while we're on this call, you just completed the first step by doing the affirmations together. Now, you don't have to wait till you get home or get off this Zoom. Ask yourself, is it acceptable to stay where you are now that you know what you know? Now that you have imagined what life would be like if you do make the changes, I want you to think about what your life would be like in a year from now if you haven't. Those are two very different images. How would your health, how would your life, how would your marriage look? Where will things be if you don't make those changes now? It is possible. And the good news is you can change it, and change begins right now. I encourage you to say those powerful daily affirmations. Get super clear on what your vision is and what it looks like, and take those limiting beliefs and crush them. I'm thinking of my competition right now. Crush them like a winning fighter in a martial arts tournament. You could do it. I really want you to get into action. All I care about is that you get results. So whatever that may look like for you, whether it's elevating your revenue, upping your level of what you deserve, creating the impact that you're looking for, I want to offer you my Wealth Mindset Reboot Assessment. It's complimentary to all of you because I really appreciate you coming today. And as a thank you, I'd like to offer that. I want to help you significantly increase your income so you have more time to enjoy the things that you love. This assessment will help you uncover the hidden beliefs and habits that affect your finances and learn how to shift them for lasting wealth. You'll be able to measure your growth, see how far you've come and where you're headed. You'll be able to spot limiting beliefs by identifying them and the money blocks that keep you stuck. And lastly, you're going to get actionable steps to strengthen your mindset, build wealth, and take control of your financial future. If you're looking to accelerate your wealth and refine your strategy and break through your barriers that might be holding you back, then this is for you. If you're serious about making impactful changes, you are in the right place. Can you feel that? Are your palms kind of getting sweaty like mine did with Tony Moselle? Remember him? That's wealth mastery. So lean in, everybody. Do you feel the butterflies in your stomach now that you're thinking about money in a different way? Is your Tony Moselle in the room? It's okay to feel that way. Don't stop yourself from saying what you want to say, from chasing the you that you deserve to be, or the future that you've refused to look at most of your life. Shout your intentions and embrace your Tony Moselle and all the feelings that he can give you, and channel that into your best life. Can you feel it the way you now feel differently about wealth and money? Who even was that tongue-tied fifth grader? Because now I've got vision, I've got wealth mastery, And I've got Tony Moselle whispering in my ear saying, go get that money. So tell me, why wouldn't I live my richest, boldest life?